I am 11 years old.
9 years old.
11 years old.
9 years old.
8 years old.
10 years old.
Things I like to do with my friends are play video games.
Go to the park with them.
We go for recess together.
Playing basketball and soccer.
What I love about my friends is that they're really nice.
They're funny.
They listen to me when I don't feel happy.
They can be very thoughtful and very friendly.
Being a good friend is being able to be trusted and being nice.
They care about you. They would go out of their way just to see you.
When they don't talk behind my back, spreading rumors about me to other people.
I usually meet my friends at school, sometimes when I'm in a different class, for example, an acting class.
You can meet them at the park.
At daycare.
And sports clubs.
You can make new friends by going up to them and asking if you can play a game with them.
Going up and say their names.
Maybe talk to people that they think they'd like, or start to share some interests.
Maybe if you don't play sports, you could try doing that. If you're arguing with your friend, you could try new compromises. If it's still hard to talk with them, you could ask an adult.
If they are still angry at each other, they can maybe take a break.
Letting them know how I feel, set the boundaries, and say, how about we end the argument so we don't lose the friendship?
That is a good thing, that there's someone that you can talk to that can help you out with your problems.
Somebody that I feel comfortable talking to about my situations so they could help me.
Friendships can play a big part in your life. Friends are people we choose to share our lives with, and sometimes they can mean as much as family. Even though making and keeping friends can be challenging, you're not alone. For ways to get support and let your feelings out, visit KidsHelpPhone.ca.